We're at the Westin in Cancun. It's one of the first hotels on the bottom of the Hotel Zone Beach. It is absolutely gorgeous here. I'm going to give you a tour of this place so I can show you what the Westin has. It's part of a Marriott Properties.
All right, we made it inside the Westin. That's the concierge desk. It's pretty nice in here. We got a balcony, ocean view room. Andrea works for Marriott. It's pretty nice. It's very clean. That's what I love about Marriott. There's a standard. All right, we're in building D in 2517, the 5th floor. This is our bathroom. Whoa, it's gonna slam. It's our bathroom. We have a tub that's tiny. A nice standard, like kind of a Marriott shower. And we have a little mini fridge, coffee maker, 2 small beds, a TV, which we're not going to use, and the balcony on the oceanfront view. Watch, there's some sargassum down here, the weeds. It looks like the worst down here because it's all getting caught because this is the end of the point. So that's kind of not good. There's a pool in the D building, but there's another one in the main area with a swim up bar, hot tub. And I can see the next hotel we're going to, a Marriott Star right there. That's Hotel Zone. Westin, they do have the swim up bar. I got my Mexican spicy margarita. It is 280 pesos for the bigger one, 53 milliliters, I believe. And the child daiquiri, alcohol free, is 120 pesos. It's beautiful here. It's 3:15 p.m. March 22nd. So this is the oceanside pool. There's another one, but we're gonna go to the backside pool that has sun. They have some fun games here with music. Can't get a copyright. Here's an upper bar right here, and that's the lower pool with the cabanas, or the teepees. And then you get your towels. This is the back pool area. In the lagoon side, they have a flow rider where you can surf it. And another pool area that after the building takes away your sun, you can come back here and still get some sun. Pretty nice spot. They don't have a bar back here, but they have a server. And just gotta give them a thumbs up. Oh, look at that. Some chilling areas in the back here now too. Looks like they have a bar, but there is no one there. A bunch of chairs and stuff. Kind of just looking over the lagoon. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. And some grills up here. So I think at Marriott you can bring some food and grill it if you wanted. There is a bar, but nobody's there. This is the kids club. I can't remember the hours, but I think it's only open till 5. There's some games and Legos on the wall, which I think is pretty cool. A big checkers, an outdoor play area, some hockey goal stuff or soccer, whatever you want to call it. Some fun craft stuff I bet you can do here. Yeah, basketball. The kids club. It's right by the outdoor pool. It's kind of cool. This is the kids club hours that are posted on the door. That's the flow rider. It is part of the deal. In the back lagoon side by the pool. So nice. And there's a sports bar inside this door where you get your drinks if you're at the pool. The Arena Sports Bar. Really nice people everywhere, obviously, in Mexico, always. All right, that's it. And we'll check out some of the restaurants in a little bit. This is the swim up bar. This bar right here has happy hour until 4:30. Don't forget that. These ground level rooms are pretty awesome. They're walkout to the bar pool area. I would recommend one of those if you're able to. Otherwise, we're walking a D building. We're right in the point on the south side of Cancun here. And Hotel Zone is that way, obviously. It's beautiful though. This is the back side, south side of our building. And our hallway to our room here. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is the breakfast area. It's the, well, kitchen area, I guess. And they have a buffet down there. You got to pay extra for it. We're not going to be doing that, but it looks pretty nice. Looks like they have some decent stuff, I guess. Some fruit. Kind of a buffet style. The Sabador, I think they call it. That's the breakfast area in the Westin. Stayed in Cancun and Isla Mujeres 5 separate times. Check out some of my other hotel reviews like Ibero Star, Sea Dust, and Isla Mujeres stuff.